Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be starting off with freshly blow dried hair, and I'm going to take my thermal protected glove for my wand. This is good for beginners or people who's clumsy like me, so you don't burn yourself. So I just went ahead and sectioned my hair off, and I'm just going to take small, well, medium sized sections really. Quick length check, look at that. But yeah, so I'm going to be taking medium sized sections, and I'm just going to be wrapping my hair around the tool. Just be very careful not to burn yourself. And I left it on for about 15 seconds. Now I didn't get as close to my root as I wanted to, but that was the first curl. So you just keep going around the head doing the same thing basically. Unfortunately, my camera messed up, and the other footage that I had doing the other sections of my hair, it just turned out sideways and it would just make the video look really bad. So I just decided to take that out. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're just wrapping sections around the tool. For my face, around my face, I'm wrapping it away from my face so that it frames it better. And I just kind of let it cool in my hand a little bit and then pull it down so that it has a shape, but I still don't want it to have that much shrinkage. I also go in at my roots a little bit too, just to smooth them down so it's a nice transition, so it's not too bushy at the roots. So that's pretty much it. You just keep on going around, let it cool a little bit, and then let it fall. And you can also spray hairspray at the end of it, but for the purpose of this video, I just put the curls in and go on about my day. So enjoy the rest of the video.